having PCOS, should we or should we not take milk? You know that in all my earlier videos, I already asked you to not to have milk or milk products also. But since childhood, we have the habit of consuming milk as an essential food throughout the life. It is being always told that milk has multiple benefits. It is a complete food. If you consume around 250 ml of cow's milk, which has around 3.5% of fat, that will give you around 152 calories. It has got 88% water, around 8.14 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 12 grams of sugar, 0 gram fiber, and fat is 8 grams. Additional to that, it has these vitamins and minerals. Milk is a rich source of vitamin B12. It has got ample of calcium, riboflavin, phosphorus. Apart from that, we get a lot of milk products out of milk. That is cheese, butter, cream, curd, yogurt. So it's an essential part of our daily food. But the thing is, there are a few things that tells us that why should we not consume milk. Above all, it has got saturated fat. So saturated fat, that is the reason of enormous weight gain. A lot of people are overweight because they drink a lot of milk. Apart of that, saturated fat is responsible for heart diseases, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and a lot of cancers like breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and prostate cancer. Apart of breast, ovarian, or prostate cancer, you have high chances of getting acne if you consume milk. Other than that, a study shows that around 60 to 70% of Asian people are lactose intolerance. That means if they consume milk, they will have diarrhea, nausea, upset stomach, indigestion, such issues will happen. So a lot of population is not able to drink milk in the proper way. Milk has high levels of cholesterol also. A single serving of 250 ml consists as much as 24 mg of cholesterol. That is LDL, that is low density cholesterol, which is really harmful for the heart. And it contributes majorly to weight gain. Among 10,000 children, a study is being conducted that the more they are consuming milk, they are getting a lot of weight. So they are going overweight because of that. The natural factor is also there that only the human beings are there which consume other animals' milk, like buffalo, like goat milk, like cow's milk. No other animal consume the milk from other species. And cows and buffaloes has 4 stomach. So whenever they consume milk, it is to gain weight. You know that a cub like gets hundreds of kilos within a few months drinking her mother's milk. To get more milk, the milkman actually use oxytocin. That is an injection that without the cub or calf, they get milk from the cow or the buffalo. So there are like a lot of studies which are needed to be done on that oxytocin injections are creating some sort of harm or not. But some researches show that oxytocin results in hormonal imbalance and sometimes even for cancer. So if you're not consuming milk, what is the way? Because like we consider it a major source of protein, calcium, B12 and such things. So if you are not consuming milk, what should we do? So we have in the naturopathy a lot of alternates for that. You can have almond milk, you can have white sesame seeds, you can have peanuts, you can have soya milk, you can have hemp seed milks. There are a lot of alternatives like coconut milk also. So how do you make such milk? That you should be like soaking these things overnight in the water. Early in the morning, wash the seeds or like the sesame seed, the soya, the peanut or the hemp seeds. Like make a paste in the mixie, adding some water and adding a little like 1 glass or like no matter what quantity you want to consume, add so much water in that. Take the other material like peanuts or sesame seeds in that quantity. Like for example, if you are taking sesame seeds, 4 teaspoonful of sesame seeds are good enough to make 1 glass of milk. And it has got all the qualities of the milk apart from fat, which is really harmful. So consuming these milks which are natural and which are plant based also, you will get all the things like calcium, protein, energy, good calories. So I suggest you to have that. You can message me in the comment section if you have any confusion that how to make milk out of such things. I'll wait for your comments and will guide you. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Share the video to the needy ones and do not forget to press the bell icon. That will notify you whenever my new video comes. Thank you so much.